you playing Play-Doh?
Hey, Mom.
Yes.
Look at this.
Are you eating Play-Doh?
Yeah.
That's yucky. Yeah, yucky.
You yucky.
Can you show Mommy how you play with the Play-Doh? Will you?
No.
Please.
No.
Please. Pretty, pretty, please. Pretty, pretty, please.
What's Daddy doing? This is Owie. This is Owie.
The scissors are owie. Those are safe scissors. Those are kid scissors.
This is a scissors.
Scissors. What do the scissors do? What do you do with scissors? Do you cut with scissors?
Because it's scissors. Look at the scissors. Look at the scissors.
I'm going to cut the Play-Doh with the scissors.
Yeah. Uh-oh, there's something. I got it.
You got it.
No, I opened it.
You want to open?
Yeah.
Good job.
What is this one about?
What's this one about?
This.
That's the green Play-Doh.
Green Play-Doh? Cut the Play-Doh. Cut the Play-Doh.
You want to cut the Play-Doh? Okay.
Wait. No. Uh-oh. I got it.
You got it?
Yeah. I did. Yeah. I got it. Come on, open this one.
What do you say?
Open, please.
Open, please. Very good. Okay.
Here, go.
Hard to get out.
Hard to get out.
There's some Play-Doh. What do you say?
Thank you. Look at this.
Oh, what are you doing now?
What?
Are you rolling?
Yeah,
Rolling the Play-Doh?
yeah.
Bless you. You're silly.
Daddy! Daddy! What are you doing? Daddy, what are you doing now?
Yo, word. What up?
You were playing Play-Doh.
Oh, are you playing with Play-Doh?
Yeah.
What are you making?
I'm making this.
Want to give Daddy a smoochie?